Humor in copywriting. Copywriting is difficult, and learning how to write great copy is no easy task. While anybody may write a blog post, only outstanding content can appeal to your audience's subconscious and encourage them to act. Humor is an excellent approach to connect with your audience and, when employed in copywriting, will leave them with a favorable impression of your company, enhancing their trust in it. In this post, we'll look at how humor works in copywriting and how you can include it into your work to produce more pleasant and engaging content. There are a few copywriting methods you can use to get the most out of your copy's comedy. Stories are an effective strategy in copywriting, and while employing humor, keep in mind that your writing tone should be conversational and pleasant so clients feel involved with the content. Using terms like you, and, your, as well as slang, can assist to produce a more natural tone of speech. Keep your text quick and direct, when writing in a funny tone so that clients aren't bored or distracted by too much detail. It's recommended not to strive too hard when writing for humor, as this might upset clients and make your content less successful. Humoring your audience, in this context, will necessitate an understanding of what they like hearing, the appropriate setting, media, for engaging them, and the aim of your humor. Humor in copywriting is an excellent method to keep your clients interested in your business. A more formal approach may be more appropriate in copywriting for an older generation or in business-related marketing materials. Please share this video with your friends.